Want to know how to change the timing of your battle in Raid Shadow Legends? So if you are under any battle, so let's say I am in this battle for me right here, and now if I am in a hurry and if I want to end the battle faster, what I can do is I can just simply select auto on the left side first, and now once I've selected auto, since we're changing the timing, on right beside auto you should be also seeing ×1, so you can just simply select 2 times 2 right here. So once I've selected that, your timing should automatically change. So as you can see right here, the timing has been changed, and for more fastness you can just simply select auto, and as you can see right here, this is how you change timing easily. And that's it. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily change your timing to make your games or your matches end super fast in Raid Shadow Legends. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.